In this example, we need to find the domain of the given function here as square root of 7 minus x. So let's try to see how can we find the domain of this type of square root function. For example, if you have square root of g of x, so how do you find the domain of this type of function? As we know that under the square root function over here, under the square root, we cannot have the negative number, so we need to avoid that. So if we want to do that, then we can say that the domain of this type of function would be set of all real numbers for which this function, let's say g of x, has to be non-negative, right? So that's what it has to be. So if that is the case, what we just see is, like, we see what is the function under this radical sign. So whatever is that, we try to see when that is non-negative. So on this example that we have given over here is f of x equal to square root of 7 minus x, right? So if that is the case, on this function, what we just need to check is when 7 minus x is actually non-negative. So we need to check this. So how do you solve this inequality? How can we do that? One way, we can just add x on the both sides. When we do that, this will be 7 is greater than or equal to x, right? What does that mean? What is the solution set? So if we look into the number line here from negative infinity to positive infinity, and 7 is somewhere over here, then actually the solution set is set of all real number, right, which is less than or equal to, so it's equal to, so I am using the bracket here, less than or equal to 7, right? So this is our solution set. So if that is the case, the domain of this function square root of 7 minus x, in the interval notation we can write down as negative infinity to 7, and then close bracket over here, and then parenthesis on the other side.